My name is Dave McDougall. I'm the president of BioVac System. We've been manufacturing our equipment since the last 16 years. We do all the development, the research and development as for our equipment. They're all designed and manufactured here at our plant. We manufacture robotic duct cleaning equipment, negative air dust collectors, air purification system for decontaminating indoor air quality issues for air purification. And plus we can custom design all our equipment to the needs of our clients. Our goal is definitely your success. So we will present you the Elite 3. The Elite 3 is 3000 CFM. It is 3000 CFM, but the advantage of this system is it goes from, you have a driver here that permits you to go from 0 to 3000 CFM, all depending on your need. Again, this machine can be adjustable as for the speed. Secondly, this machine is a multitask equipment. You can use the Elite 3 for duct cleaning, mold abatement, asbestos abatement, odor neutralization, and air sterilization, because you can integrate ultraviolet systems inside the unit. And again, the advantage is that you can adjust the speed of your unit. What it permits you is that it will permit you to use this unit for a small area if you're doing mold abatement or asbestos abatement. All our machines can be tested for PAO or DOP for asbestos removal. Then you can, with this, since the system is hermetic and there's no air coming out, it will pass the PAO test. Secondly, you have different knobs here, one for starting the unit. It's a back incline fan. The back incline fan, the advantage that even though your filters saturate of dust, it still will keep the pressure. By that, then you optimize your cleaning because you don't have any pressure loss. And it keeps its CFM going on. So even though your filters are getting clogged, it still keeps its pressure and its velocity, air velocity. The Elite 3 is a modular equipment. It comes with 4 sections: the turbine section, the filtration section, the front plenum, and there is a back plenum which is used for asbestos or mold abatement that we will show you how they function. This is a true multitask unit. It has 8 caster wheels which you can lock, and plus the unit can be completely flipped from having the air coming out here and coming out on the other side, from the air coming from the other side and coming out on this side. There's many possibilities with this unit. That being said, it works on 120 volt or 220, 120, 60 hertz, or 220, 60 hertz or 50 hertz, the same as for 220, 50 hertz. And so it's a unit that can be used internationally or for North America or Europe very easily. Now, the filtration media is right here, and as I was explaining, the turbine section is here. It comes with a mini helic system that permits to verify if your filters are getting clogged or not. And you can go up to between 2 to 3 inch of static pressure, up to 4 if your filters are completely clogged. It means that you have to change the filtration media at that point in time. This section is to show how easily it is to reassemble, deassemble, or reassemble the unit. You just have to put it here. There you go. Put the latch on. There we go. And after this, it is possible to install the front plenum. There you go. And so here, as you may see, it's a very easy to assemble. It is the same for another section that we can use. We will show later. Okay, we will show later how it works. All right. This section is to show how easily it is to reassemble, deassemble, or reassemble the unit. You just have to put it here. There you go. Put the latch on. There we go. And after this, it is possible to install the front plenum. There you go. And so here, as you may see, it's a very easy to assemble. It is the same for another section that we can use. This part is to show exactly here how to assemble the bottom plenum that permits you to do mold abatement, just purification, pure purification. So this unit will be installed on this side, and you will see later on that the unit can be installed on a vertical position. And we can use the same plenum and be able to put it on this side so that you can change the direction of the flow of air, all depending on what you exactly want to do with your unit. So here we have the plenum. As you may see, it's very easy to install. And from there, now the air will come inside on the opposite side, come inside and come out here. You can position your unit vertically, so it takes less space if needed. Secondly is that now that your air or your dust is coming by this side, going through your filtration media, which could be a HEPA filter, could be a 95% efficient filter. It could be a combination of carbon activated filter, or it could be, if not, zeolite filtration plus pocket bag filtration. Again, the advantage that you can modify the type of filtration you use inside this unit easily. From there, the air will go through up to your fan and come out on each side, on the foreside and even the bottom of your unit. Again, the big advantage of this approach is that it disperses the air equally on the four sides and under. The Elite 3 can be used for air purification purposes, where now you're recirculating the contaminants that are inside the environment in which you are working. In this case, again, what's going to happen is now the air will come inside here and go through the filtration media. As I explained, that could be pocket bags with HEPA filtration. It could be pocket bags with carbon activated filtration or ultraviolet odor neutralization with filtration media to permit the removal of particles and at the same time neutralizing the air. From there, since your air comes in on the four sides of the unit with the grill that you may see on each side here. So again, this will have the advantage, again, because you are pushing the air from topward going down. So whatever contaminants, small particles that is in the air now will hit the ceiling and come down and be vacuum or will be vacuumed by the bottom plenum. So the flow there will go from topward, going down, getting inside, being filtrated, and coming out again. And from there, each time, the secret of filtration is having a minimum of 4 to 7 air exchange in an hour in an environment where there's contaminants such as mold, asbestos, and the unit, because of the design itself, you may have in a lot of situations up to 10 air exchange in an hour. The Elite 3, it's a unique use system because of its multitasking approach that offers a better return on investment since it's multifunctional. Multi-purpose. Now we're going to be looking at the filtration system. Again, the advantage of the Elite 3 is that you can combine pocket bags. In this case, are 85% efficient. You can put 65% efficient. And you may install with this a MERV 14 or 95% efficient filter, or here you can install your HEPA filtration media. At the same time, the same area can be modified so that you can install your ultraviolet system to do the air neutralization, and at the same time do the air sterilization, because ultraviolet will sterilize whatever mold, bacteria there is in the air. Now, the advantage of this system, since these are framed that can be adjusted to the width of your filters whenever needed, and all our units do pass PAO DOP testing. Another combination of the Elite 3 is that in regards to the filtration media, is that again you can combine 85 or 65% efficient bag filtration, which is 24-inch deep by 12-inch high, so it has a lot of dust capacity, and this will permit to help protecting your HEPA filter, which is 99.97% efficient, tested 0.3 DOP. So then this combination will be used for in a situation where you have mold, bacteria, or you're doing asbestos removal. And all our equipment are pass PAO or DOP testing. Here is the Elite 3 with the ultraviolet system with the tubing inside, which will sterilize all the air, and you can use the same system for odor neutralization by starting the ultraviolet. And all the ultraviolet system is controlled, so you know if they're functional, and if they work, they are in full operation. If there's the ballast is not working anymore, a light will lit when that happens. Secondly, is that now we combine a 95% efficient filter with the ultraviolet. You can combine bag filtration with ultraviolet. That's another possibility, or combine, if not, You can change the direction of this system by putting the ultraviolet before, and after that the filtration. Or you can put some bag filters before your ultraviolet. So as you may see, it's a very versatile system and has a high efficiency as for odor neutralization.